Financial markets around the world are reeling this morning as the escalating trade war heightens fears of a global economic meltdown.
Eyewitness News reporter Irene Cruz is here in studio with the latest on the fallout. Irene.
Rachel, John, markets around the globe have been tumbling today, and it comes after President Donald Trump declared a 10% baseline tax on imports from all countries. Others have higher tariff rates, and last week Wall Street saw a two-day meltdown. So this morning, countries are now scrambling. What we know so far, Japan's prime minister will speak with President Trump later today. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu will meet with Trump in person. And all this could set the stage for how other leaders respond, especially with many now sending trade officials to Washington to talk through the crisis. Germany's economy minister is calling the tariffs nonsense. Indonesia saying it won't retaliate against their 32% tariff, but will seek negotiations. China has accused the U.S. of economic bullying. Last week, Trump put an additional 34% tariff on Chinese goods, and that's on top of 2 rounds of 10% tariffs already declared in February and March. China's retaliating with a 34% tariff on U.S. goods. Now, President Trump has remained defiant, saying on platform Truth Social, other countries had been, quote, taking advantage of the good old USA.
China is, they say the market's spoken. China is right now taking a big hit because everyone knows we're right. They have to pay tariffs because otherwise we have a surplus, and they have a surplus with us that is not sustainable. I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something.
Trump has called on the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said there would be a lot of waiting and watching before any decisions would be made. And the tariff effects have been widespread. The Australian dollar dropped to levels seen last time during the early pandemic. Tokyo's index dropped nearly 8% at one point today. Hong Kong's dropped 9.4%. Other global stocks took major hits as well. So investors will face more wild swings in the coming days and weeks. Market experts say there probably won't be a short-term resolution to the trade war. This is a fluid and developing situation, and we'll be monitoring it for you all morning long.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel, and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.